Hey, what's up everybody? Have a Troy-bilt snowblower here with the 8 horsepower Tecumseh on it. And while doing just a regular maintenance, I came across the handles were kind of loose. Tighten up the handles and the knobs up there. Check down here with the 1/2-inch bolt. No change. And then once I got underneath, there's a crack in the frame right here. So you can see. And then also on the side here, there is a bolt missing, but it's actually not missing, it's actually broken over here. So I gotta get that bolt out and put a new one in, and then I gotta weld this frame here, and that should do the trick. All right, so I got that bolt out, the one that was broken off in there, and I just put a bead of weld on. So I'm just going to touch it up with some spray paint, make sure everything's aligned. You can see it's much sturdier. So I'm just going to button this all back up and finish up the service, and it's all ready to go. Thanks for watching.